Good evening, everybody. This is Attorney Dwayne Hobson. I have another lawsuit that I want to break down. I think everybody kind of saying this coming with all the lawsuits against Diddy. We finally have a lawsuit filed against Jay-Z. So now, as you guys see here now, Jay-Z's been involved in a civil lawsuit accusing him of raping a 13-year-old girl allegedly along with Diddy in the year 2000. So that's 24 years ago. So now the girl's like 37. I hope my mouth's right. So let's take a look at this. Jay-Z, the superstar rapper and entrepreneur whose real name is Sean Carter, was accused in a lawsuit Sunday of raping a 13-year-old girl in 2000 along with Sean Diddy Combs. Here's a big thing, guys. The accused on it identified as Jane Doe. Y'all see what it says, how it happened. She was driven to MTV VMA Awards after party show where allegedly all went down. And so the lawsuit originally filed in October only showing Diddy, but it was refiled on Sunday including Jay-Z. Alright, so let's take some more look at this. Guess who filed it? None other than Tony Busby, lawyer out of Texas. He's been in a lot of these lawsuits against Diddy. He even set up a hotline a hotline for people to call in and for possible claims against P. Diddy. So now he's taking this fight to Jay-Z as well. So this is new and developing. I really want to read the actual complaint. You know how I do it. I want to read the actual complaint and break it down. But I have Googled and Googled and Googled, and I cannot find a complaint online. Maybe I didn't Google enough. Somebody else probably find it as I post this. But I am definitely trying to find this. And so, you think Jay-Z just didn't respond to this at all? Just gonna let it play out between lawyers? No, he has already responded publicly with a statement he posted through Rock Nation. Let's take a quick look at that statement. He posted on the all Rock Nation social media. Here's a statement that Jay-Z released almost, not immediately, but very soon after the lawsuit got public. And he's not playing it here. He's saying he's not giving that guy one red penny. He's not playing by his name. And he's talking mad noise about Tony Busby, calling him a deplorable human being. Mr. Buzz, but I promise you, I have seen your kind many times over. I'm more than prepared to deal with your type. You claim to be a Marine. Marines are known for their valor. You have neither honor nor dignity. Jay-Z is not playing with him at all. He's not playing with him at all. He goes on, to talk about, this should be filed criminally instead of civilly. He believes anybody who doesn't think a kid should be in jail. And he feel like it's unfair to try to understand an despicable degree of malice meant to destroy families and human spirit. And it's hard to go true victims in the world. I'm running through this, guys. Then he said, you have made a terrible error in judgment thinking all celebrities are the same. I'm not from your world. I'm a young man, Jay-Z, man, you're in your 50s, but hey, I'm a young man who made out the project of Brooklyn. We don't play these types of games. We have a very strict codes and honor. We protect children. You seem to exploit people for personal gain. Owning your network, conspiracy theories, fake physics. Okay. We'll believe the idiotic claims you have levied against me that if not for the seriousness around the horn of kids would be laughable. I look forward to showing you just how different I am. Woo! That's some serious stuff right there. That's some serious stuff right there. And so I really wish I could find that lawsuit. But when I find that lawsuit, I am going to go through it and post about it. But let's get some more background on Tony Busby. Tony Busby is a lawyer out of Texas. Like I said, he's behind a lot of those Diddy lawsuits that's been filed against Diddy. And some of those lawsuits have settled. So I think Busby, he struck a little gold with that. So he's trying to keep going with getting these lawsuits, hoping Diddy settle. But before he filed this lawsuit against Jay-Z, he actually sent a demand letter to Jay-Z, trying to get him to settle. Now, sending a demand letter is actually kind of normal. I do it in my law practice. I don't have my lawyer clothes on. It's Sunday night. I'm in here doing some work in the office. I should be at the house, but I'm at the office doing some work. But I send demand letters in my practice, to avoid lawsuits. People, only in car accidents, people respond to demand letters. In all other types of cases, I have to sue them because people don't respond to demands. But Jay-Z called the demand letter extortion. It's standard practice. I'm going to send you a demand letter, to give you an opportunity to try to settle this thing. And so that's what Tony Busby did to him. I think that the demand letter threw Jay-Z off so bad, made Jay-Z mad that an unknown celebrity back in October filed a lawsuit against Tony Busby's law firm over that demand letter. Jay-Z wasn't named in the lawsuit, but it's pretty, good circumstantial evidence that Jay-Z was the one who filed, who filed a lawsuit against Tony Busby in California. And so, hold on, let me show you guys how Jay-Z felt about this demand letter. Now remember, I might be glossing over, but the demand letter was sent to Jay-Z before Tony Busby filed his lawsuit. All right. This was in the statement. I kind of glossed over. It said, my lawyer received a blackmail attempt called demand letter from a lawyer named Tony Busby. What he had calculated was the nature of these allegations and the public scrutiny would make him want to settle. Jay-Z said in a statement to U.S. Weekly denying the allegations. No, sir, it had the opposite effect. It made me want to expose you for the fraud you are in a very public fashion. So no, I would not give you one red penny. Yeah, so it's like it's going to be a very public fight. I seen some other stuff on the internet where they said that, after that lawsuit filed in California, that Tony Busby has been alleging that there has been private investigators talking to his old clients and all sorts of people in his life to get dirt on him. So this has turned to a big fight. These allegations are very serious against Jay-Z and Diddy. And it look like Jay-Z, he's ready to fight it. He's ready to fight it. And this is just a civil case. It's not a criminal case, it's a civil case. So Tony Busby and his client, who's a Jane Doe, was not mentioned, not named in the lawsuit. They're seeking monetary settlement. So they're seeking monetary damages. So we're gonna keep an eye on this. I'm gonna keep an eye on this. I'm talking like I got a whole YouTube team. It's just me and my wife who I bounce ideas on. And but I'm gonna keep an eye on this lawsuit. I'm really interested to read the actual lawsuit. Cause I be interested like, what are you guys alleging in the lawsuit? Are y'all alleging an assault and battery? You can sue for civil assault and battery. So I guess you also sue for like mental, emotional distress and things of that nature. So I would think they're suing for like assault and battery, emotional distress, intentional, all these types of different intentional torts. I want to see these lawsuits because a lot of intentional torts have small statute of limitations. So how are they successful in court? I guess when you're convicted of something, then people come back and sue civilly. But this is not a criminal lawsuit, this is a civil lawsuit. So I'm really interested in seeing the civil lawsuit. When it comes out, I am going to look at it and talk about it with you guys. But yeah, that is the brief introduction of the Jay-Z lawsuit. Sum it up, he's been sued by a young lady who said she was raped by him and Diddy back in 2000 when she was only 13, and only Jay-Z and Diddy mentioned in the lawsuit. Now it's two other unknown celebrities in the lawsuit. I don't know why she didn't mention them, or why Mr. Busby didn't mention them, but they just mentioned a celebrity, A and B, I think, according to NBC. Also, hold on. If you like this video, check out one of my other lawsuit breakdown videos. When I did a P. Diddy update recently, so you can check that one out. I did one recently on something else
just the other day. Oh yeah, I broke down a lawsuit happened right here in Mississippi, so check that out. Also, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And also, if you need a lawyer in Mississippi, holler at us. My name is Turner Wayne House Law Firm, do car accidents, personal injury, family law, and bankruptcy. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.